Hi friends, I'm Bea.
I'm Jim.
And today we have some new Star Wars Microforce Series 2 figures.
Alright.
We had so much fun opening them in the last video, which you should check out. Then we got really excited to see these new ones.
Yeah.
So let's get in. I'm gonna scoot these back a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot scissors.
Oh no.
Oh, I need scissors. Okay, scissors acquired. Let's see.
Who's the first one?
It doesn't feel like they have a card like the last one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's just a teeny little paper. It's not a big fancy card.
Oh, right.
Okay, so who do we have? We've got Blue Yoda,
Yeah.
Finn, Darth Maul,
Mm-hmm.
TIE Fighter Pilot Elite,
Ooh.
Jyn Erso. I want Jyn!
That'd be great.
Captain Phasma. That's a really cool pose for her.
What else we got?
We've got Imperial Death Trooper,
Ooh.
Obi-Wan.
Young Obi-Wan.
Ooh, Emperor Palpatine.
Yee.
Rey, Kylo Ren.
And BB-8.
I need a BB-8.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
First
Okay.
up.
Well,
You're really drawing it out. Who's in
I'm
there?
sorry. I gotta get. Oh, I got
there's
so many
two. I
baddies. Look at these jerks.
Captain Phasma and
And
Emperor
Emperor.
Palpatine. Doing his jazz hands.
These are fun.
Let's see who's in pack number 2.
Oh, I want Jyn so bad.
This is probably a pretty good odd that we'll get
I
Jyn.
hope so. We did pretty good last time.
Okay, we
have-
got Jyn.
Yay!
There's Jyn Erso.
Happy dance. I'm doing a happy dance with my
Yeah.
fingers. So good.
And Spirit Yoda.
Cool.
Ooh.
He has a spirit lightsaber too. I didn't know they could do that.
Sure, they can do whatever they need to do.
It's true. Okay. All right. Who have we got? Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Kylo Ren.
And Obi-Wan.
Yeah.
Look how cool. This is like younger Obi-Wan,
Yeah,
which I'm down with.
sure.
And Kylo Ren is fancy. Look at him.
Yeah.
Speaking of jazz hands. Hey.
Here he comes.
I love the detail they get in such tiny figures.
They're so small. Alright. Next up.
Who else do you want?
I don't want all of them. But
That's
we gotta get BB-8 for
That's
sure.
fair.
Oh, and guess what?
Okay,
We
first
got-
dupe.
First duplicate
But it's okay.
is Spirit Yoda.
Bye, Yoda.
And
Let me see it.
BB-8.
Oh my gosh, look at him scooting along in the sand. That is adorable.
That's what he does.
Gosh.
He scoots.
I love BB-8. He's my favorite part of the new movies. I can't lie. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh. Ooh, Rey!
There's Rey.
Okay, Rey and the
elite-
Death
oh, the
Trooper.
Death Trooper,
Elite.
yeah.
Okay, here we go. Look
Yeah.
how cool they are.
Death Trooper from Rogue One and Rey. And
Yeah.
their Force Awakens outfit.
I like it. I like the mix of characters they picked too.
Yeah,
I like it a
little-
lot.
All over the place. Okay.
There's a lot of Star Wars to pick from.
There certainly is.
Ooh, I'm trying to peek what's in there.
Okay. We got another Jyn.
Cool. Double Jyn.
And the TIE Fighter Pilot Elite
Ooh.
from
Oh,
the First
he's
Order.
the elite one. The Death Trooper is not the elite.
Right.
Okay. Only one elite.
Yes.
Allowed. Okay. So we haven't gotten Darth Maul or Finn yet.
Oh, that's true. I thought we just
Let's
got
see.
them all,
Who do we
but those
get?
are the last two.
Ooh.
Looks like another Yoda,
Yoda
and BB-8.
and a BB-8, which I'm pretty okay with.
We've got 3 Yodas now. I don't know if you need 3 Yodas.
Well, maybe we do. Now we know. We'll find out if we need them.
Yeah. So it looks like another Jyn
We get another Yoda.
and another Yoda.
4 Yodas. Well, come on, I need a Finn. Come on, Finn. Come on, Finn. Okay, here we go. Looks like Obi-Wan and an Emperor.
Boo.
But, well, Boo to the Emperor.
Oh, Boo to the Emperor.
Pretty great for Obi-Wan, though.
Yeah.
One more.
The last one.
Oh my gosh.
Will this be one, or will it just be 2 Yodas?
It could be 2 Yodas.
It could just be 2 Yodas. It's making me work for it.
You're drawing it out.
Well, it's another Emperor. Oh, Darth Maul.
No, we got Darth Maul.
So the only one we didn't get was Finn, because the other one is a Captain Phasma.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's ready with his. Oh, he's only got one side of his lightsaber in this one.
Well, last time we didn't get Chewie.
Yeah.
And this time we didn't get Finn.
Yeah. Well, let's line them all up.
Okay. Yay! So here are our army of Yodas,
Yeah.
along with Jyn's and BB-8s. I'm sad we didn't get Finn.
Yeah. Finn is the elusive one, like Chewie was last time.
Yeah.
This is Series 2 of Microforce Star Wars.
Well, I'm super excited about them. Love this BB-8. Definitely
BB-8's
my favorite. Look at the little swirly sand.
Yeah.
On Jakku. Yay! Well, A, let us know if you got Finn, because I need to know.
Yeah. Is he okay? Did they forget?
And B, tell us which one is your favorite, because we'd love to know. They're all so fun.
They are very cool.
Yay! Cool. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.